Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. I'm at Rio Las Vegas. I got upgraded to a king bedroom suite and a nice room here. You walk in, see a minibar area, 2 mini fridges at the bottom, space at the top. I got a lot of snacks that were gifted to me from people who went to the Rove meetup. See a kitchen table area, good for laptop, eating, and more. Some plugs and a lamp on this side. Some views outside. I'm on the 5th floor, not very high. You can see the parking lot, see the mountains in the back, and many of the local businesses. Art on the wall. This one is I Want to Live Intensity from 2021. This is a renovated room in the Ipanema Tower. The older Masquerade Tower is available too, but this is the better option. Some shelves on this side, and their view outside. You can see a Wyndham property in the back. Wyndham Desert Blue. Couches, a sort of coffee table setup. TV, more lighting. It is a bit dark in here. I'm recording this during the day. I arrived at night and waited for the day for more lighting. Coming into the bedroom, see a side chair, a tub area next to the bed. Nightstands on both sides with lamps, towels next to the tub, air conditioning on the wall. There's one here and in the living room area. We see a view outside, mostly obstructed by palm trees, and not seeing much, just buildings in the back. Other side of the bedroom and the bathroom with a door and a walk-in shower just to the left. Toilet area, nothing special over there. 2 sinks, very long sink area. Makeup area with a seat at the bottom. Hair dryer, cotton swabs, shower cap, and more. Closet area in the bathroom. A room safe, shelving at the top. More space at the bottom, ironing board, space for luggage, but lots of space outside of the room. A bit odd to have the closet in the bathroom, usually in some other place, but that's just how it's built. Separate toilet, no shower, bathtub, anything in here, but just a toilet and a sink. This suite room was a complimentary upgrade thanks to Hyatt Globalist status. I booked this suite on a non-refundable rate, a rare thing for me to book, but it was heavily discounted at $12.50 a night, better than the usual $25 to $30 when it's discounted. We get a spacious suite, 5 nights at Rio, checked in on Sunday to stay Sunday through Friday when they discount the rates. I'm getting Hyatt qualifying nights to maintain my globalist status, probably bonus Hyatt points on the stay, and maybe other promotions will stack as well. They throw in free breakfast, but recording here at the end of April 2026, the breakfast is currently a buffet and nothing special, very similar to what you would see at a Hyatt place. Eggs, breakfast potatoes, muffins, pastries, waffles. Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from Rio Hotel Casino in Las Vegas. Stay tuned for more content.